Hey guys, today we are going to unbox the Bikini Bottom Buddies 2. As usual, 6 regular figures plus 1 secret chase. The first one is the bully fish. Looks like it's not to be messed with. Let me see who is talking bad about me. Is that you? With 2 little top knots on its head. Wire inside limbs, posable freely. Explorer fish. Just as funny as the photo on the ID card. He's showing off his conch to everyone, and he's wearing a little tie. Look at him smiling so brightly. Looks like he really loves his job. And just now, a crutch fish swam by. However, this plaster can be removed. He was actually pretending. The next one is the male fish. His expression looked a little hopeless. Look, there really is an envelope in his bag. The details are so perfect. What happened? Scientist fish. The expression looks like it's been working overtime for 10 days. The clothes are very classic for scientific researchers. Heavyweight player. Mascot fish. The soft feeling is very good. He seems to be getting angry. Even with such thin legs, you can sit firmly. That's all for today's unboxing. Follow me. See you next time. Bye bye.